Hello everyone, Yanotlisanok and welcome to my channel. The acrimony between Tatiselo Makeka Ncube and his estranged wife Pearl Mbewe is now affecting his business dealings. The legendary actor has reportedly lost more than 1.8 million rands in funding from the National Lotteries Commission, which is the NLC. The funding was initially approved for his foundation under the concept "The Land is Ours," based at the Ekaya Center in Dube, Soweto. Apparently things took a turn after Pearl Mbewe allegedly wrote to the NLC a few months ago asking them to withdraw the funding application. She claimed that "The Land is Ours" was her intellectual property. This came after their nasty separation, where Sello allegedly confiscated their 2 vehicles, kicked her out of their entities, and obtained a protection order against her. Now, Pearl didn't take that lying down. She hit back by contacting the NLC, which has now pulled more than 1.8 million rands in funding. According to Sunday World, the letter that Pearl wrote to NLC reads, "Dear Sibadi, I hope this message finds you well. I'm writing to formally withdraw my proposal, The Land is Ours, which was submitted to the National Lotteries Commission for funding consideration, which was later granted. Please note that I have not authorized the NLC or the Sello Makeka Ncube Foundation to utilize or implement any aspect of my proposal or intellectual property. I kindly request that you inform your legal department and relevant stakeholders of this formal withdrawal. Thank you for considering my proposal. I appreciate the time and effort invested in reviewing my concept. Please advise if you need anything on my side to make the rejection of the grant official." Apparently, the NLC responded to Pearl's letter stating that they were investigating her request. After completing the investigation, they informed her on the 28th of March 2025 that they had decided to withdraw the funds. The pettiness between these two is on another level, from Pearl exposing his HIV status to them obtaining restraining orders against each other, him confiscating vehicles and kicking her out, to now losing funding. Kuningi man. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.